The Huawei Ideahub Board 2 offers a range of intuitive features for your collaborative projects. Despite of its all-powerful feature, the feature that makes this board special is its app called Whiteboard. When you setting up, you can add a grid lines to assist you in drawings or writing. This can ensure your writings and drawings are perfectly aligned and straightened. You can also make this board to imitate a chalk blackboard or whiteboard background. Once you're done setting up, you can draw on top of the touch-sensitive board using your finger or a stylus directly. It can accurately detect your strokes and brings your ideas to life. Other than drawing pen, there are other types of pen that have a very interesting feature for you to use. First is text detection pen. It can accurately detect the text that you are writing using the stylus. This can help audience understands the text accurately without problems of understanding difficult handwriting. Another pen is called shape detection pen. This can help user to draw a shape accurately straight without wobbly lines as usual hand-drawn shapes. Other than that, you can select your drawings, texts, and shapes, and duplicate them, similar like you use an image manipulating program. You can also change the color of your pen, so your drawings will be outlined with your selected color to differentiate them. This selected color can works with all types of pens available in the Whiteboard app. You can also bring whatever you are displaying on the screen into the Whiteboard app to annotate the screen. With this feature, you can highlight, add notes or comments anything related to the screen you are displaying right now. Since the captured screen is now treated as image on the Whiteboard app, you can draw possibly anything you like on top of the screen capture, making the presentation more understandable. Once done, you can save the session locally inside Ideahub internal storage, to be work on later. With its intuitive features, the Ideahub Board 2 is a game changer for collaborative work with your colleagues. Contact us if you wish to learn more about Ideahub Board 2.